Hello and welcome back to e-classes of PNMRC High School Organization of Commerce Standard 12. In previous video we studied about functions of management and today's our topic is coordination. Looking into this picture you can understand what is meant by coordination. Coordination means working together. You can see so many hands. That means working together effectively for common goals. It is required at every stage of management, right from planning to controlling. Planning is the first step. So, from the very first step, coordination is required to achieve the goals. And with the help of coordination, no work remains incomplete or no work is duplicated, and thus because of coordination the work becomes more easy to achieve the goals. Here in this picture we can see that group efforts or collective efforts rewards you, and we can also see together everyone achieves more as team. So coordination helps to build a team and to work more effectively. Coordination also means synchronized efforts. It means in any business unit, every departmental activities are being carried down exactly together. It is called synchronized efforts. But if there is no coordination or in the absence of coordination, it results into mess. You can look into the picture that there is no stock available in the production process. So ultimately, it is going to create mess. So, in any business unit, coordination is the essence of management. Essence means it is very important in any business unit. So, let's read this. Coming together is beginning, keeping together is progress, and working together is success, as per Henry Ford. So, let us understand the meaning or the concept of coordination. Coordination means synchronizing the efforts by unifying, integrating, and harmonizing the activities of different departments and individuals for the achievement of common objectives. So, let's first understand the meaning of synchronizing, integrating, and harmonizing. Synchronizing means each and every department's activity should be carried down exactly together. Integrating means uniting things. Harmonizing means peacefully working together. So, basically, coordination means you have to peacefully work together, seeing that all the department's activities are carried down exactly together and are united together. Now, let's have a look on characteristics of coordination. First one is it is required in all activities. All activities means all managerial activities. Which are they? Planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. So it is required in all activities, and management process is not possible without coordination. Then second is coordination is required at every level of management. Every level of management means all three levels which we studied earlier: top level management, middle level management, lower level management. So coordination is must in all levels. Next is success of coordination depends on effective communication. That means there should not be any miscommunication among the employees or departmental heads in business unit. Fourth is it is not possible without cooperation. It is not possible means coordination is not possible without cooperation. So let us understand the meaning of both. Coordination means arranging the things and putting things in order to make run things smoothly, whereas cooperation means collective efforts. That means we're more than two persons working together for common goals. So without cooperation, coordination is not possible. Both the terms are having different meaning. Coordination is just arranging things and putting it in an orderly manner, whereas cooperation is to work together, having collective efforts. So cooperation is must. Next is it makes possible optimum utilization of business resources. That means because of coordination it is possible to use the resource in the most economical way. And sixth is it is considered soul of management. because coordination is part of every activity of management, whether it is planning, organizing, staffing, controlling, directing. So it is required in each and every activity of management, and management process is not possible without coordination. It is also required at every level, as we studied before in first and second point. So it is considered soul of management. Now let's have a look on importance of coordination. First one is coordination makes all management functions more effective. We all know which are the management functions: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. All these becomes more effective with the help of coordination. That means it can give you more better results, better outputs. Second is all business activities are carried in easy manner. Because of coordination, there is a smooth functioning in all the business activities, and so all the activities are carried in easy manner. Third is it does not leave any work incomplete and no possibility of duplication of work. That means work doesn't remain pending due to coordination, and no chances of duplication too. Fourth is it maintains harmony. That means it makes possible working together in peaceful manner. Fifth is it maintains balance between order and time of business activities. Coordination itself means arranging things in orderly manner. That means work should be done in order and should be completed within time. Maintaining balance between order and time is very important. If task not completed in time, it is worthless. So coordination helps in maintaining balance between order and time. Sixth and the last one is it leads toward accomplishment of pre-decided goals. So whatever the goals are being decided by the management or any business unit, it is easy to achieve, it is easy to accomplish with the help of coordination. Go through the topic coordination. In next video we are going to learn about functional area of management.